Hey guys, it's BJ again at Woolly Farms. Here today, about to start back on working on our little smoker project, the little Oklahoma Joe, the old school one. That I'm gonna do some rehab on today. Gonna do some welding, fix a few things, and try to get some paint on it before the day's up. Hopefully, we'll be cooking on it this weekend. That's the plan. So, y'all want to stick around? Um, I'm about to start welding on this thing. I've got these grates here laid out. Got the grinder all set up. Get these grates ground down. Start fresh. Just clean everything up and get everything other than the grates ready for paint. So I'm gonna set you down for a few seconds and show you the process. So here we go. All right, everybody. Got my gloves on. About to start welding on this thing. Got the ground clamp on. What I'm gonna start with is this. I was thinking about making a kickstand for it, but decided that where it's going on the porch, it's cool to just let it stick out. So I'm gonna put the level on it, hold that there, pull my hood down, check my level again, and get it tight. Alright, that side's tack. Do it one more time. Push up on that a little bit. Alright, see tack, still level. Put this away. Turn my heat up just a little bit. Finish it off. That side's heavy. Alright. That's pretty darn rock solid. Still looking level. Turn the welder off so that doesn't have a background. Unclamp it. I had looked over it. I don't see much else that needs to be welded or re-welded, so y'all bear with me. I'm gonna start grinding on this thing with the wire wheel, and here's what I've got is just a Milwaukee hand grinder and a nice little round wire wheel. Does a number on this kind of rust and old paint. I'll show you. Let's turn this thing around. Got the smoker painted, finished up. Use high heat paint on the actual grill body. The rest of it, the legs, the table, all that stuff, just use a regular Rust-Oleum. Most paint these days is most good paint is a high heat anyway. So anyhow, turned out pretty nice. You can see where I charred the wood on the handles. That one's got a crack in it, but we'll roll with it either way. So cleaned out pretty nice in there. Paint's got a good shine to it. Legs are looking good. So give you an overall of it. It might be hard to see over here, but shined up nice. So what I'm gonna start now is I've got a thermostat to go in here, a thermometer to go in there, and then I'm going to put Nomex, Nomex, I believe, insulation around the door. So if you want to stick with me for that, here we go. I'm going to hand the phone, or I'm going to hand the camera off to my wife, and I'm going to get to work on this. First, I'll put the thermostat in, or thermometer. This is a Midwest Hearth. I thought I had ordered a Tel-Tru or Tru-Tel American made. This one's American made also. Pretty sure I ordered a Tel-Tru, Tru-Tel. I've used those in the past and they're great. They hold temperature and they don't get off. If you use the Chinese ones, they won't last, they'll leak and water will get in them and they're worthless and you'll be replacing them in a year. So use these. This thing will probably last a lifetime. So back of it is 1/2 inch pipe thread. I'm going to take wrench, tighten it up, drop it down here, real simple. What you don't want to do is sit there and twist on this, because if you twist on that, it could actually get the calibration off on the thermometer itself. Tighten it up, get it where I want it, pull it out. That's good to go. And now we're going to wrap the door in the insulation tape. It's this is 1/2 inch wide, 1/8 inch deep, or 1/8 inch thick. Nomex barbecue gasket. Ordered this off Amazon also. This is a Lava Rock product. Island Outdoors. I've used this. I have used this, and my big smoker that I have, I put this on the doors probably 5 years ago, and it's still there and still working and sealing. So, and it's still sticking. Pull it out. Oh, use the curse off. Open the lid. Find the end here. Basically, you just lay it out around the edges. So I think I'm going to put it on the door itself. So put it right there. I mark it with my finger. Break out the knife. Back the protective layer so I can get to the glue. There we go. Alright, glue it to the door, to the edge here where I measured from. Pull it tight, not real tight, but got a little hangover. We'll come back later and trim that. No big deal. Same thing here. Put it up against it, and I'll get the rest of it done and we'll be back soon. Okay, here we are, final product. Got the thermometer all mounted in right. It's nice and set. Got the gasket on the door. This thing sets down nice. Lid's heavy. It's going to seal. And I'll show you. It's wrapped around the door lid. Trimmed out real nice. So, uh-oh. Got my helper over there. Okay? They're looking at you. Watch them. Anyhow. Alright, so here's the probe to the thermometer coming out. I think it's a 2.5 inch probe. So we're gonna start a fire on it here later, so won't be long. We'll throw a rack of ribs and probably some East Texas hot links on this thing. So y'all watch for that. Appreciate everybody watching the video, and we'll be having more come out. Take care.